How to turn off controller speaker PS5. So this is going to mute your PS5 controller speaker. There are a few different ways you could do this. It's going to depending on what you want to do. So first of all, starting on the PlayStation 5 home screen, scroll along the top until you get to settings, click X on that. Then you want to scroll down until you see sound, click X on sound. In the sound menu, you want to go to microphone, go to the right, then you want to click on microphone status when logged in, click on mute. That means when you turn on your PlayStation 5 console, it'll automatically be on mute. Then you can adjust the microphone level, you can turn it all the way down if you don't want that. And as well, on the actual physical PlayStation 5 controller here, you can press the button there, and then if it's orange, it's on mute. You can see that in the top right hand corner that it's on mute. That's kind of letting you know. Then as well, if you press and hold it, it'll also turn off the game sounds coming through the controller as well. So I'll mute both of those things. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.